In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to share clothes on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have visited the avatar editor page either on PC or mobile, you might have noticed that under the marketplace, you can actually find styles. So as you can see, these people have shared their full avatars, including of course the clothes that they have. A lot of people are curious on how they can also do this. When you click on any of these styles or shared avatars, you will see the price that you have to pay to obtain all of these items. And you can go over to the details page and see specifically every single item that is being used. So it is a fun feature. You can share different ideas, different designs, and other people will be able to see what you have used and buy all of the items with one click. So you can purchase everything that you see on specific avatars with a single click. So how do you do this? Well, you will find the option on Customize, but sadly, it is extremely limited at the moment. Even though it was announced months ago, not all users have access to it, including myself. So what you would have to do is switch over to the Customize page, and where my mouse is at the moment at the top, there would be a plus button. This is what it looks like. So you would see this plus button at the top of the Customize page. And when you click this plus button, you would find the option to post your avatar. Like I said, only a limited amount of people have access to the post avatar option at the moment. By choosing this, you are now able to share the avatar or the style that you have. You can give it a title, a caption, or a description. You will see a preview at the right, and you can preview and post this. Other people will then be able to find your style available on Marketplace, and then they can purchase all of the items that you have equipped on a particular style at once. They can see the details and they can purchase the items individually as well if they prefer. So as you can see, by removing some of the items, the price is lowered. But like I said, because this feature is so limited at the moment, not everyone will be able to do this. But when the feature becomes public and available for everyone, you can share your avatar through this method. I hope I was able to help you on how to share clothes on Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.